A 4-thread overlock on the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S400 serger is the most common stitch that you're going to use probably for most of your serging projects. Because when you actually serge, you have 2 needles and 2 loopers. The knife cuts off a nice fresh edge, and that is a construction seam. It's stretchy if the fabric was a knit or fleece or sweatshirt fabric, and it is nice and secure for all the rough and tumbleness. The nice thing is you don't have to go back and straight stitch it. You don't have to go back and zigzag edges. It's all done at once. And did you see how fast it went? When you use a serger for a seam, a serger actually stitches faster than most sewing machines. So we do find that this is definitely a way to speed up any garment, project, bag, construction, anything you can think of. You're going to start using the 4-thread overlock on a regular basis.